Hello, I'm in a 2013 Ford Focus, and today I'm going to show you without a code reader how to reset check engine light with a soft reset. Again, you want to know what the codes are for before doing something like that, but should it make sense in your situation, here's what I'll show you. It should work in a lot of Ford models, whether it's a key like I've got or like a button push start. So first we're going to want to shut the car off. And then just to make sure it's fully off, open and close the door. Might have to drive and let the car sit for a couple minutes too, but anyways, so we're gonna do an on and off with either the key or a button push 3 times, and then before the 4th time, we're gonna push and hold the brake pedal before we enter the 4th start. So here we go. So on, off, 2, 3. Brake, press and hold. Now it's on. Let it load up and then start the car, and you'll see check engine light's gone. And for your particular model, you might have to add a little bit of extra time between each on and off for your key turns. But otherwise, this this process should work on a large number of Ford models. I hope this was helpful. I appreciate a like and subscribe, and any questions or input in the comments, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.